Now, live from KUSI, this is Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Hi, I'm Roy Roberts, and welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we're talking about the topics that are important to you, your home, your family, your health, and your money. And the following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management. Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management, joins us every Wednesday with a weekly commentary. And today, Brent's talking about items to consider while you're hiring an investment firm. Brent.
Thank you, Roy. Yes, and this is probably one of your most important life decisions because, again, the person managing your money can get you to retirement. And if you don't do a good job, you're not going to have a very good retirement. I kind of put it right around the same level of probably getting a doctor. Very important to get a good doctor. Very important to hire a good financial advisor. First thing I tell people to consider, are they a fiduciary? Right now, about 82% of advisors in the country are not a fiduciary. So it's very hard to find a fiduciary, but that's what you want. Now, why? Because a fiduciary has the responsibility to do what's best for you, not what's best for themselves. Now, if you go to somebody else that's a broker, they have a lower standard. It's called suitability. What that means, they could sell you virtually any mutual fund. Could be the worst performing mutual fund, but it's suitable, that's okay. And I want to also point out, be careful what's known as a hybrid, because a hybrid can be a fiduciary and be a broker. And they'll say, yes, I'm a fiduciary, but then they can turn around and sell your product and you think it's under the fiduciary umbrella when it's really not. So I do not recommend hybrid advisors because you really do not know what you're getting. I do recommend you go to an SEC advisor that has a fiduciary responsibility for you. Now, you can ask the advisor too, or the broker, are they selling you products? Are they selling you alternative investments? Are they selling you private equity? What type of commission are they getting? Are they selling mutual funds? Are they selling annuities? All these important things. Ask what they're selling you. And ask them, are they selling you? And if they are, what is the commission? You have the right, I mean, you've got to get all this information to find out, are they going to pay the commission for that product? And if so, how much is that commission? Ask them that question. If they kind of dance around it, you know there's some problems there. Understand too what type of service you're going to get. Now, anybody you ask, like, oh, we have great service. Well, what kind of great service do we have? What do you mean by that? We tell our clients that we have a 24-hour return phone call policy, and within 24 hours you can return a phone call if you call us. Actually, we have a client right now, we're trying to help them out, they're dealing with Fidelity, and they can't get a call back in a week or two. It's terrible. So make sure you ask these questions before you sign up with that advisor or that broker. And what is the strategy of the firm? What type of investments are they doing? Are they a growth investor, which means they'll get higher risk investments? Are they a value investor, which means they'll get less risky investments? Are they using asset allocation? Maybe they have no strategy at all. So these are why the questions you want to ask. And then also to ask that advisor, well, how do you manage your money? I know at Wilsey Asset Management, we manage my money the same as all my clients' money. We manage about $725 million. My money is managed the same way as all my clients. And again, we're a fee-based advisor. We don't charge any commissions. We actually do it on a fee base. We do better when our clients do better. So these are things you want to ask that person you're talking to. We also do have for you a list of 10 things to ask that new advisor, and even your existing advisor, you might ask them as well. Go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com, smartinvesting2000.com. We'll send you by email, we'll send you the list of 10 questions you can ask your advisor to make sure you're getting what you need to meet your financial goals. Roy?
All right, Brent, thanks so much. The preceding portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management, and we'll be right back.